if NASCAR is hiring, hire me. I'm one of the fastest. Let's go, Brandon. Yo guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to yet another video. It's pretty windy. You might or might not have heard any wind noises, but we are back at the gym. And in today's episode, it's probably going to be... Ooh, it's sunny. In today's episode, it's probably going to be the most fun episode ever for a Jeep 4x4 owner. We're gonna put on the wheels. So yeah, I've got the BF Goodrich tires on it, which like 90% in the world is driving. Some friends said, well, you need the all-terrains. And I was like, yeah. The other friend said, you need the mud-terrains. So friends got a little bit into a fight if I needed mud-terrains or all-terrains, but I went for the mud-terrain. Really want to make a like really aggressive Jeep. A really aggressive Jeep, really aggressive 4x4, a really aggressive Jimny. Not sure how you can make a Jimny aggressive, but let's just see. So if NASCAR is hiring, hire me. I'm one of the fastest. Let's go, Brandon.
Oh my God, it's just such an unbelievable moment.
Brandon, you also told me.
That's how it was, and this is how it is right now. How cool is that? And the size of this tires is LT, it's 215, 75, or 15. I have no idea what that means, but should be something. But like I said, we have Goodrich, and we have the mud-terrains. And the wheels are 8-spoke. 8-spoke. They took my job! They took my job!
They took my job!
They took your job!
Now that's a totally different car. Look at that. God dang it. Decent. Gonna take it out for a quick spin. Gonna drive it around town. Not really around town. More like in the fields and things like that. Gonna see if everything is okay. And this totally changed the car. Let me know in the comments what you think. Good choice of wheels. Good choice of tires or not. I'll see you guys in the next one. Cheers. Peace.